What is the Divine Locks Complex supplement? Divine Locks Complex is an entirely natural dietary supplement that supports hair growth. It is a supplement that helps strengthen your hair follicles, thus providing you with healthy hair. It is available in the market in the form of an easy-to-consume tablet. Divine Locks Oral Dietary Supplement is a preservative-free and stimulant-free hair growth product. It penetrates quickly to your hair cuticle and starts the process of developing a healthy scalp. The Divine Locks Complex formula is revolutionary in maintaining your hair shine. Its formulation consists of 28 goodness-packed ingredients that play an important role in restoring your hair vitality, thus providing you with thicker hair and youthful hair. Divine Locks Oral Dietary Supplement is a preservative-free and stimulant-free hair growth product. What are the natural ingredients used in Divine Locks? Divine Locks composes of several organic and natural ingredients that can give your hair health a boost and promote the growth of healthy, voluminous, and shiny hair. Goji berries. Goji berries contain nutrients that support healthy hair growth. Goji berries are native to China and Tibet. They are small red berries with a tart flavor. The goji berry has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine. In addition to being rich in vitamins and minerals, goji berries are known to improve circulation and boost immunity. Studies show that goji berries may stimulate hair follicles and increase hair growth. This effect was observed in both men and women. Goji berries are available at health stores and online. Look for dried goji berries that do not have added sugar or preservatives. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an important component of human skin and connective tissue. Hyaluronic acid is found naturally in the dermis layer of the skin. It provides moisture and elasticity to the skin. In addition to stimulating hair growth, hyaluronic acid supports collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives skin strength and elasticity. Astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a carotenoid pigment that occurs naturally in salmon, shrimp, krill, lobster, trout, crab, and other seafood. Astaxanthin is a potent antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative stress. Scientists suspect that astaxanthin may help promote hair growth. A study published in the journal Nutrition Research suggested that supplementing diets with astaxanthin may reduce hair loss in people who suffer from male pattern baldness. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Dermatology showed that astaxanthin helped restore hair growth in mice with chemotherapy-induced alopecia. Biotin. Biotin is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a key role in metabolism. Biotin is essential for normal hair growth. Some studies suggest that biotin supplements may be beneficial for promoting hair growth. One study published in the British Medical Journal showed that taking biotin supplements reduced hair shedding in women suffering from female pattern baldness. Other research indicates that biotin can prevent hair loss caused by chemotherapy. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is also called pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 helps maintain healthy skin and hair. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that vitamin B5 supplementation prevented hair loss in postmenopausal women. Another study published in the same journal showed that vitamin B5 helped prevent hair loss in women with chemotherapy-induced alopecia. Zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that promotes strong nails, bones, teeth, muscles, and immune system function. Zinc deficiency has been linked to poor hair health. Researchers have discovered that zinc stimulates hair follicles to produce more hair. In one study, scientists observed that zinc stimulated hair growth in rats. Selenium. Selenium is a trace element found in many foods, including Brazil nuts, tuna, oysters, and chicken. It is important for maintaining good health and protecting against cancer. In one study, selenium supplementation appeared to improve hair growth in patients with androgenetic alopecia, female pattern hair loss. Research suggests that selenium may play a role in hair growth. Scientists believe that selenium may stimulate hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalp. Amla fruit. The amla fruit, or Indian gooseberry, contains high levels of antioxidants such as quercetin, rutin, gallic acid, ellagic acid, and catechins. Amla fruits are rich in vitamin C and E, minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, copper, manganese, sodium, and zinc, and phytochemicals like polyphenols, tannins, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. Divine Locks helps its customers cure hair follicle issues that they have not been able to reduce with the help of big pharmaceutical tablets. This product is one of the top supplements because of the presence of its natural formulation. The formulation is made up of 9 natural ingredients and 19 supporting ingredients that have been studied by FDA-approved research for their several health benefits. Ingredients like Indian gooseberry are a rich source of vitamin C that acts as a superfood. Hydrolyzed keratin is a large protein that penetrates your hair. Olive oil has hair moisture increasing abilities. Research suggests that hyaluronic acid may play a role in hair growth. Scientists believe that hyaluronic acids stimulate hair follicle stem cells, which are responsible for producing new hair strands. Moreover, L-methionine is a type of amino acid that increases the production of keratin, etc. Several scientific studies show that consuming amla fruit regularly may help protect against premature aging and age-related diseases. Some researchers believe that amla fruit may help promote hair growth by reducing inflammation and stimulating hair follicle activity. A study published by the International Society for Hair Restoration Surgery showed that using zinc sulfate shampoo twice weekly effectively prevented hair loss in men with androgenic alopecia, male pattern hair loss. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, a clinical trial conducted in Japan demonstrated that topical application of hyaluronic acid gel increased hair density in patients with androgenic alopecia, male pattern baldness. Final verdict: is this product worth purchasing? To conclude this article, we can say that Divine Locks is one of the top hair growth supplements available in the market that uses high-quality plant-based ingredients. Moreover, it also provides so many other advantages to your body, thus making it worth purchasing. So, if you are struggling with hair fall and just can't bear the sight of another broken hair strand, you should certainly give Divine Locks a try.